Hello and welcome back to the course on Tableau. And in the previous tutorials, we prepared all of our worksheets for our segmentation dashboard. So we've got a map, we've got gender split in a pie chart, we've got two distributions, one by age and one by balance, and we've got a tree map of job classifications. And today we're going to put all of this into one dashboard, one powerful, awesome looking dashboard. And now that we've got them all prepared, it's going to be quite quick and easy to put them all together into one dashboard. So let's go ahead and get started on it. We're going to click this button here, a new dashboard, which brings up a new blank dashboard for us to work with. Now, if we wanted to, we could change the size because it is a bit big, and we could change to a different size over here or select our own size. But instead, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to expand this window. And now we will work with this full space and fill it up with colors. All right, so we'll start by dragging our worksheets into this blank space. So we'll take the map, we'll drag it in here. Then we'll take distribution by, let's take balance and put it in here. Distribution by age, we'll put it in here as well. Now, as you can see, some things are appearing on the right here, some controls. Obviously, we don't need this one as we discussed. We're not going to visually compare the different shades of green. Same thing for the blue. The parameters appeared for us here as well. Now we're going to take the gender. We'll drag it in underneath this box over here. Once again, we don't need male, female, because it is very intuitive. We made it intuitive. Blue is male, pink is female. And we'll get rid of the number of records, this color or size legend completely, not adding any value here. And we'll take job classification. We'll drag it underneath here as well. Job classification, we don't need this legend because it is spelled out in our tree map. Okay, so that's our raw information in our dashboard, which we can start working with now. We're going to quickly make it look much better. So let's format that a little bit. Let's give these guys some more room. Maybe up to here. Give the map a bit more room. Okay. What else? So the tree map is a bit big, the pie chart's a bit small. So if something's a bit small, it's easy to fix it up here, and then you just go for pie charts specifically. You just go to the pie chart and you change the size so it just fits in your box. Now we'll go to the tree map job classification and we will make this one smaller so we can work with it further in the dashboard. So you just generally always make something smaller first and then you make it bigger. Okay, so there we go. So sometimes you will get these elements that you can't reduce, you can't just go past it. What you need to do is nudge this chart down with the chart above, for instance, like this, or just kind of reset everything to fit your needs at the bottom over here. So also what we need to do before we format this part of the chart is change the formatting here, because you can see it's not in line with everything else, it's smaller. So we're going to format legends, and the title we're going to make it 12 and bold, and perhaps the font of the legend doesn't really have to be 12 but at least 10 and also bold. And now if we do that, there we go, and you can see these parameters, they collapse into this new format, which is good. Either way works for us. So basically, if we have the space, if we can move our chart a bit down, let's say our pie chart, there we go. Now we probably need to make the size a little bit smaller so that the percentages are out of the chart itself. And now perhaps we can make this one a bit bigger. There is a bit of like tedious clicking around, but eventually you will get there. There we go. So that could work. Probably in this case we need to make these charts a bit smaller again, or the other option is fix this up like this as it was just now. So there we go. Probably that's the better option because we don't need that much space for our parameter controls. So that's how our dashboard looks at the moment. We just have to look around and see if there's anything that we would like to change. Perhaps maybe rotate these labels. And also you can see that the parameters do control your charts, and at the same time the chart shrinks to fit inside the dashboard, which is good. One more thing is that if your parameter for some reason hasn't been added to the dashboard or you deleted it, it's very easy to bring it back. So just cancel that, and just as you would do with a filter, you go not quick filters, but go parameters, and you add the parameter back in. So there we go, and your parameters here. So balance groups is above because distribution by balance is at the top, age groups is at the bottom, so we'll put that at the bottom. That's pretty much it for the first part of the dashboard process. In the next tutorial, we will make this dashboard interactive and adjust the colors a little bit for the dashboard to look awesome. I look forward to seeing you then, and until next time, happy analyzing.